Hello everyone, welcome to today's video about meal replacements for weight loss. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 helpful pieces of information about meal replacements that can help you lose weight effectively and safely. Meal replacements are a popular tool for weight loss, but there are some things you should know before incorporating them into your diet. Whether you're considering using meal replacements or already using them, this video will provide valuable insights and tips to help you make the most of them. So, let's dive in and explore these 10 helpful pieces of information about meal replacements for weight loss. 1. Meal replacements are convenient and pre-packaged foods or shakes that are designed to provide a controlled amount of calories and nutrients to replace one or more meals per day for weight loss purposes. They can be a helpful tool for individuals who struggle with portion control, meal planning, or time constraints. However, it's important to choose a nutritionally balanced meal replacement and to incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet for optimal health. It's also important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any weight loss program. 2. Meal replacements can be an effective tool for weight loss because they provide a controlled amount of calories and nutrients, making it easier for individuals to maintain a calorie deficit and lose weight. Meal replacements are also often high in protein and fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time, reducing overall food intake. However, it's important to choose a nutritionally balanced meal replacement and to incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet for optimal health. It's also important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any weight loss program. 3. Meal replacements come in various forms, including bars, shakes, soups, and other packaged meals. This makes it easier for individuals to choose a meal replacement that suits their preferences and lifestyle. Some meal replacements may be more convenient for on-the-go consumption, such as bars and shakes, while others, like soups and packaged meals, may be better suited for those who have more time to prepare and enjoy their meals. It's important to choose a meal replacement that fits your lifestyle and nutritional needs. 4. When choosing a meal replacement, it's important to select one that is nutritionally balanced and fits your dietary needs. Look for meal replacements that are low in added sugars, as excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Additionally, choose meal replacements that are high in protein and fiber, as they can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking between meals. It's also important to read the ingredients list and nutrition label carefully to ensure that the meal replacement contains essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function properly. 5. Meal replacements can be a helpful tool for weight loss, but they should not be the sole source of nutrition for an extended period of time. It's important to incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet to ensure that you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs for optimal health. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provide a range of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that are not found in meal replacements. While meal replacements can help you achieve a calorie deficit and lose weight, they should be used in conjunction with a healthy, balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods. It's also important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any weight loss program or making significant changes to your diet. 6. Meal replacements can be a convenient option for individuals who are busy, struggle with portion control or meal planning, or are looking for a quick and easy way to stay on track with their weight loss goals. Meal replacements come in a variety of forms, such as shakes, bars, soups, and packaged meals, making it easy to choose an option that fits your lifestyle and preferences. By providing a controlled amount of calories and nutrients, meal replacements can help individuals maintain a calorie deficit and lose weight. However, it's important to choose a nutritionally balanced meal replacement and to incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet for optimal health. 7. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a meal replacement program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take any medications. Meal replacements may not be suitable for everyone, and a healthcare provider can help you determine if they are a safe and effective weight loss option for you. In addition, a healthcare provider can provide guidance on the type of meal replacement that is best for your specific dietary needs and can help you develop a safe and sustainable weight loss plan that incorporates meal replacements as a tool, along with whole foods, physical activity, and other healthy habits. Consulting with a healthcare provider is always a good idea before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. 8. Some people may experience digestive issues, such as bloating or gas, when first starting a meal replacement program. This is because meal replacements are often high in fiber, which can be difficult for some people to digest. To minimize these side effects, it's recommended to gradually incorporate meal replacements into your diet, starting with one meal replacement per day and gradually increasing the number of meal replacements as your body adjusts. It's also important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can worsen digestive issues. If you experience persistent digestive issues or other adverse reactions after starting a meal replacement program, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure that the meal replacement is safe and suitable for you. 9. Meal replacements may not be appropriate for everyone, especially those with certain dietary restrictions or allergies. For example, some meal replacements may contain ingredients that are not suitable for individuals with gluten intolerance, lactose intolerance, or nut allergies. Additionally, some meal replacements may not provide enough of certain nutrients that are important for individuals with specific health conditions, such as diabetes or kidney disease. It's important to read the ingredients list and nutrition label carefully and consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian before starting a meal replacement program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or dietary restrictions. A healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help you determine if a meal replacement program is safe and suitable for you, and can provide guidance on choosing a meal replacement that meets your specific dietary needs. 10. While incorporating meal replacements into your weight loss plan can be a useful tool, it's important to also focus on making lifestyle changes that support long-term success. This includes regular exercise, getting adequate sleep, and managing stress levels. Regular exercise can help you burn calories, build muscle, and boost your metabolism, all of which can support weight loss. Getting adequate sleep is also important, as lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, leading to overeating and weight gain. Finally, stress management is crucial, as stress can trigger emotional eating and disrupt healthy habits. Incorporating stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature can help you manage stress and avoid stress-related eating. By combining meal replacements with healthy lifestyle changes, you can create a sustainable weight loss plan that supports long-term success. That concludes our video on 10 helpful pieces of information about meal replacements for weight loss. We hope that you found this video informative and useful in your weight loss journey. Remember, meal replacements can be a helpful tool for weight loss, but they should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any weight loss program. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.